I'd like to start off with showing some of the gains today. Very proud of the group. This is from Friday and today, Monday, December 1st, daily recap. I traded a bunch of tickers today and had a solid day, but with how many tickers I traded, I was hoping for a little more, but played small most today because I did not love most of these plays. But decent setups, more to choose from than there has been in the pre-market, so I was happy to see that. But let's start with pre-market. So first ticker, KTTA. I did not play this after pre-market, but caught a few pops on this play when it pushed to $1.50 and continued to fail on the live stream today. Fundamentally bad company that needed cash, 7 million float. The next one is SGN. So played this one on live as well. Fundamentally bad company as well, 4 million float, and played it at $1.75 and caught a decent flush on it. DYAI, another pre-market play on live. It had previously popped to the $1.29 level, so I took position there, caught a nice flush on this one. It did have a little bit larger float at 27 million, so wasn't too concerned about this one running against me too fast. WHLR, so I sent out that I was entering this one in the Discord. It was a reverse split pop, I believe. Sometimes there's we go through these seasons where reverse splits, like the day that they do it, it'll pop, and they usually die pretty hard because nothing has really changed with the company. And I don't really know why this one popped, but assumed it would flush and caught a pretty nasty flush on this one. Unfortunately, played it on the smaller side because I didn't know where the top was. But the next one is PPCB. So this was a weak PR today, and it pushed during regular market hours. Caught a level in the chart I liked where it previously wicked down on the daily to $1.25 one of the days, and entered and kind of jumped out quick on this one. But the next one is WBUY, 2 million float, sketchy Singapore company that pumped Friday. I played the end of day fade on this one and caught the pops and got out on the flushes. I was waiting for like a cleaner flush most of the day, but it never happened. And I just had my alerts on to notify me when it got to certain levels or dropped to certain levels, so I didn't have to watch it all day. The next one was JSPR, caught a clean flush on this ticker on a weak PR, and yeah, just weak after hours PR pop and took advantage of it. ARTL, so this one had me stressing a little bit in after hours. So it was a weak patent PR that was released after hours, but it did have less than 2 million float, and it pushed higher than I was expecting. Got in early, but managed to play and still caught the flush. Tried to hold, but still jumped out way too early. But overall, still a solid green play. Good day. It seemed to pick up a little bit more today than it has in the past few weeks, so that is a good sign. And if you would like to learn more about how I do this, join me on YouTube Live Monday through Thursday at 7 a.m. and I do it exclusively in the Discord. I'm in the 7-day free trial tomorrow, so if you want to join, see what we're doing in the Discord after the pre-market live, it's a good time to join. And also, this is not financial advice, educational purposes only. Thanks.